So I guess at that time, there was a point in my life that I was acquiring experience. You know what I mean? So for what is happening now, to me, it's like a major change in life itself. It's like the beginning of something that I've been working on for many years.
I was just like someone who just practiced in my bedroom. I matriculated last year, so I can't really say I've been hard in the streets, but yeah, I was just passionate. I was just the kind of person who would fail an exam to get a call. And yeah, that's just my story.
I would say yes. With the competition that we've had amazing talent in Idols. So every week you had to just keep hope alive and hope that you are going to be here for the longest time. But obviously, like in every week, as I'm saying, that there was beautiful talent in this competition. You never knew what was going to happen.
Yeah, almost what he said. But I think once you got to the top 5, it was just everyone was just talented. So it was just a matter of votes. So you didn't really know where you stand, and from then on, it was just tense and pressure all the time. So yeah.
It was very surprising when I was announced as a winner today, because with Brandon, like, he's a very talented guy, and we spend a lot of time sitting together, you know, talking and just analyzing life itself. So with the response of the people, I'm not certain how this happened, but I'm sure God understands it better, man.
As judges, our role is initially to find the talent and to get them past a particular point. But at that stage, you can't have an emotional attachment to any particular contestant, because it's ultimately in the hands of the public. And that's what the competition ultimately is about, that the public make the decision.
Yeah, we actually spoke about it, you know. That is something we are looking forward to dealing with together. We have an agreement that we have to.
It was like more of a gentleman's agreement, so it was between the two of us. No one has to know, it doesn't have to be a publicity stunt. It's just us.
The EP will come out via the Creek, which is a mobile app which is available exclusively with Samsung, and we hope to get that done within the next week, in fact. So it goes to mobile, so one doesn't have to, there's no physical disc that one has to press up and that sort of thing. So the winner's album will come out towards the end of February next year, which is the next kind of cycle of releases.
I focus this more on saying the victory itself is something that is more based on the music itself more than anything else. Because if there's one thing I love the most in life itself, it's music. So before the prizes and everything else, I'm just grateful that my break in the music industry, something that I've been praying for, has come to pass.
Reevaluate who I am as a person, and competition like this, it drains you in a sense, but you need to get back to who you are and understand what you set out to do and make some plans in terms of musically. So, I mean, I have my own stuff that I've written, and I've got music and stuff, so I've been working prior to Idols. So it's just about making sure that it's the right quality to be, and when the time is right, and I think when I'm ready, then yeah, the sky's the limit.
I'm naturally a simple and a very chilled and free-spirited soul. So how I become grounded is not something I have to think about. It's part of my nature. It's just who I am. It's not something I have to think about and sit there and think, how do I redirect my life? It's just, I've been blessed with a simple heart. So I'm going to be like this forever.
Well, I mean, obviously one has to consider, what the artist feels and also the market. So, it's always, when you work with an artist, it's always a collaborative effort. But certainly, what one wants to do is, the last thing you want to work with is a recalcitrant artist who's not happy. So obviously you want to work from a collaborative point of view, you know, you're certainly not going to get results if the person is not into that particular kind of music or it's not what they want to do. And I mean, you know, we clearly recognise, our teams clearly recognise the direction that Musa wants to take, and we look forward to working with him.